Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Zoho CRM web forms to create leads automatically step by step clearly. To update Zoho CRM web forms for automatic lead creation, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the setup icon located in the top right corner. In the setup panel, find and click on Developer Space. Under Developer Space, select Web Forms. You will see a list of existing web forms. Choose the one you want to update. Click on the Edit option next to the selected web form. In the web form editor, review the fields that are currently included. Ensure that all necessary lead information fields are present, such as name, email, and phone number. To add more fields, simply drag and drop them from the left panel into your form. After making your changes, scroll down to find the Form Settings section. Here, enable the option that allows automatic lead creation. Review the settings related to lead assignment to determine how new leads will be distributed. For specific notifications or acknowledgements, customize the confirmation message that users will see after submitting the form. Once satisfied with your updates, locate the Save button at the bottom right corner of the page and click it. After saving, you will see an option to copy the HTML code for the updated web form. Click on the Embed option to view this code. Copy the HTML code for use on your website. Finally, paste this code onto your website where you want the form to appear. Test the form by filling it out to ensure leads are created correctly in Zoho CRM. Monitor the leads section in your CRM to confirm new entries are captured automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.